Puerto Escondido is a small tourist town in the state of Oaxaca, one of the southernmost states in Mexico. And it just happens to be home to one of the best big waves in the world. Surfing has brought me everything in life. I had no option. My dad was a surfer. I grew up near the beach. My friends surfed. I was always at the beach. The whole community I was surrounded with was all surf. And surfing's brought me a passion for big waves. It's got me that goal that you're always chasing something better. Nothing's ever good enough. Doesn't matter how good of a wave you get. But most importantly, there's just that rush you get from surfing big waves that you're always seeking, you're always chasing, and it's an addiction. Puerto's heavy, whether it's 4 feet or 50 feet, you're still chasing perfect barrels, and that's what Puerto's all about, is getting tubed. That's what's unique about there compared to most other spots in the world, is the only thing you're doing there is getting barreled. Puerto routine is basically waking up at 4:30 in the morning, you're stretching, you're fueling up, and you're getting ready to paddle up and down a mile stretch of beach for the next 5 hours of the day. Training for kind of the so-called big day starts days before. You're staying hydrated, you're staying on it, you're deep breaths and expanding those lungs. Definitely just being mindful of the day to come. Heavy waves just takes a toll on your body, and keeping up on your supplements helps you recover and keep going. With the Jojo Fuel products, you're fueling up all morning and you are recovering all afternoon, because the next day you're gonna do it all over again. The main risk involved in big wave surfing is drowning. It's falling on a huge wave, getting caught inside by a huge wave, and being held underwater until you black out and the ocean just doesn't let you up. One of my worst wipeouts in Puerto wasn't even that big of a wave, but I went over, I got pile driven in the sand with my head, and I blacked out for, I'm not sure how long, but when I came to, and my board was right next to me somehow, and I remember grabbing my board and being in a horrible situation. Another wave hit me, got washed to the sand, and the rest is kind of a blur. There's about a week there where I don't remember much of what even happened. And how do you deal with it? It's being prepared physically and mentally. You have to have the right mindset. As soon as you panic, it's all over. If you're not physically prepared, your heart's racing through your chest, you can't stay calm, you take another beat down, you run out of breath, and it's all over. There's so many different ways. It's man versus nature in Puerto. And there's no easy exit plan. There's no channel to get to safety. It's you versus the waves until you get to the sand or until you get sucked out to sea. For me, it's basically following the Jojo mindset. It's go, go, go. It's setting goals, chasing them, attacking them, and no excuses in between. My goal in Puerto is to get the biggest barrel of my life. And it's chasing that thing up and down the beach and finding that wave, and when it comes, you're going. All right, we're on the beach. Big day is here. Waves are huge right now, nuking off shores, and we are gonna pretty much suit up and get ready, because it gets light at 6:15, light enough to surf at 6:30, and we got an hour to go. Get ready to do this.